was in Texas in 2021 when Winter Storm Uri was here, and I experienced the rolling outages with my daughter, and it was a scary time. My mom, she was checking every day, and there would be these winter storm advisories, severe weather conditions, and freezing rain. For a lot of people, it was a lasting impact that is gonna last far beyond just that 1 week in February 2021.
The way that the grid functions, there's a disconnect between when energy is generated and when energy is used. And so battery storage is this great thing that sits in the middle and connects those two pieces. The easiest way to think about battery storage is it's a battery. It inputs electricity from the grid or from a renewables project, it stores it for some period of time, and then it releases it.
It's quite a clever bit of technology in that it's a dispatchable resource. So you as the operator can determine when it's going to absorb power and charge the battery. You can also determine when it's going to discharge the battery and release that energy into the market.
You can use a battery storage system to ensure that transmission lines are not congested during the peak hours. For solar, when the sun is high, we can charge the batteries and discharge during the night time. We can capture the full potential of the renewable systems, such as wind and solar.
Energy storage absorbs the excess power when power prices are low, when there's too much power on the grid, and then when prices are high, indicating that there's a shortage of power at that location, you can discharge the battery.
It's also able to reduce energy prices because of that. So it's great for consumers, it's great for the grid stability, and it's able to assist renewables in that way. And so it's about how can we use battery storage intelligently to help solve problems. And who doesn't like to solve a problem? Safety is everything. Without safety, you don't have successful projects.
During the manufacturing process, during the testing phases, these battery containers are being tested.
We have monitoring at the sites to control the facilities and other precautions in place. We're working with local fire departments and ensuring that there's proper training for folks on site.
Apex is able to add particular value within storage because we have expertise which helps us predict volatility on the grid to site battery storage projects that they can offer particular value. The energy transition's the biggest market that exists. And so battery storage as an enabler of that is hugely exciting.
We are in a mission to ensure that by building all these renewable systems that we are trying to support the grid reliability.
Looking from afar, you see these white rectangular containers in a row, and they're very unassuming. But on the inside, the technology unlocks the future of the electric grid.